Hi, Joe here from Electric Kicks, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to unlock your Segway G2 Max Global Edition. So the first thing you'll need to do is jump on the App Store and download the Segway-Ninebot app, the official app. If you've already got a Segway, you've probably already got an account. Otherwise, you will have to create an account. If you're already in your app and you've got a Segway, make sure you log out. You will have to log out and start again. Before you log back in, make sure you select your country, and your country has to be selected as the United States. Once you create an account, make sure you connect to your scooter by selecting Add New Device. The first time you connect, it will ask you to bind to your scooter, so this will make you like the master owner of the scooter, and no one else will be able to bind to your scooter unless you unbind. So this is a little bit of theft prevention here. It will take you through a little demo, a riding safety demo that you will need to complete the first time to unlock your speed. So once you're connected to the app and the scooter's on the app, you scroll down to more functions. You open up sport mode, so you must toggle this switch. Set max speed to sport mode, accept yes. You'll see that this is 32 kilometers an hour. What you'll need to do now is take the scooter out and go for a ride. You'll need to ride anywhere from 3 to 6 kilometers. Once you've done that, if you jump back in to the custom setting sport mode, you'll then be able to up the speed to 35k an hour. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you unlock your Segway G2 Max scooter. Just to go over the points for you. First of all, download the Segway-Ninebot official app, create an account or log in, but prior to that, make sure you set the region to US. Once you've logged in, adjust all your speed modes to max, go for a ride, about 5 kilometers, come back, check your speed modes, check that they're still set to max, should be good to go. If you're having any trouble or you want to get your hands on a Segway G2 Max Global Edition, make sure you head over to electrickicks.com.au and grab yours today.